plus it's nice and crispy. Lovely.
Subscribe to Madhura's Recipe and hit the bell icon to receive updates of all my new recipes.
Hello friends, I am Madhura. Welcome to MadhurasRecipe.com. Today I am making Idly Manchurian. So far we have seen how to prepare Veg Manchurian, Gobi Manchurian. But today we are making this another variation for Idly Manchurian. So it's a great way to finish your leftover idlis. So here I have 4 idlis which I have cut into parts like this. Then we need a cup of shredded cabbage, some onion diced, green pepper diced, some spring onion, finely chopped ginger, garlic, black pepper, a teaspoon of soy sauce, a tablespoon of chili sauce, salt to taste, and tomato ketchup, 1 tablespoon. So to begin with, I am going to shallow fry this idlis. So 2 tablespoons of oil is already hot in the pan. So put in this idlis and shallow fry till it gets nice deep golden color. Now it's not necessary to shallow fry them. You can also actually go ahead and deep fry this idlis. And also if you want to go one step further, you can make a batter using some corn flour as well as all-purpose flour, and you can coat these idlis with that batter and then deep fry them. Either way is fine, but just to reduce the state but just to make it little bit simpler and healthier, I'm just going to shallow fry these idlis. After frying these idlis on one side for like 2 or 3 minutes, just flip this over. Wow, look at the color this has got. And it has got nice crunch as well. They have been nice and crispy. And let this cook from all the sides until it gets this nice golden crunch. After this idli is fried from all the sides, look at that. It's got this nice deep golden color and it has turned nice and crispy as well. Now, look at the crunch it has got. Take this out into a bowl. Now, in the same pan, add in garlic, finely chopped garlic, as well as ginger, and give it a head start of just 30 seconds. After sauteing garlic and ginger together for 30 seconds, next thing that goes in here is onion, green pepper, and also toss this for just about 2 to 3 minutes. You need to do any Chinese recipe on high heat only, so that it gets, all veggies get nice that smoky flavor. Perfect. Now goes in shredded cabbage and cook this for 2 more. And after 2 minutes of sauteing cabbage, goes in all our sauces. First thing, soy sauce, chili sauce, and chili, black pepper, and some salt. Okay, mix that in. Now in a bowl I have a teaspoon of corn flour. In that I am adding some water. Mix that in. And add this corn flour slurry in this gravy, so that it gives that nice saucy consistency in this Manchurian. Mix that in. And let's cook this together for just about 2 minutes. Awesome. Now just throwing this idli and some spring onion and coat this idli really well in this sauce. And that's it. Your Idly Manchurian is all ready. Look at that. It has got this nice coating of the sauces Plus it's nice and crispy. Lovely. This idli manchurian makes nice and crispy starter or appetizer and absolutely wonderful variation for regular idli upma or idli fry. So if you like this recipe, hit the like button. Also don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you soon. Bye bye.